Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. I have another unboxing for you all, so let's get started. This bag is so popular that I finally get my hands on it. So here's the receipt. Open the box. Here's the box. I'm so excited to see it. Okay, here it is. Here it is. This is my Pochette Metis in reverse monogram. This is how it looks like. Everybody knows how it looks like because it's so popular. I love that the top handle is color black. I don't have to worry about the letter getting dark. Here's the back. Let's open the bag. This is how it looks like inside. It has a black microfiber lining. Here's the detachable strap. It's also adjustable. This one is made in Italy. Yeah. I really love this bag because it's a great crossbody bag. It lays flat over your shoulder, over your body. Sorry, it's not bulky, and you can style this bag with every outfit. You can use it from day to night, and it's such a very free bag. You can also use it during the rainy days. It's a great everyday bag because you can see it fits a lot. I love the accordion style because of the organization. You can quickly see what's inside. And this is one of my favorite bags from LV. In fact, I will show you another bag. I also have it in the classic monogram print, and I had this bag for 4 years now and it still looks good and excellent. This one is made in France. This is how I stuck my bag with this air that I got from Amazon. Here's the detachable strap. Yeah, overall, I really love this bag, and it's one of my favorite bags from LV. The difference between these two bags is the canvas. When you feel it, this reverse monogram, it's soft. It's so soft, and the classic monogram is thicker. It has a thicker canvas. And also when you compare the strap, you can see that this one is soft and this is stiff. So when I'm wearing this for a long time, it digs on my shoulder, especially this buckle, this buckle in here. This one has a softer canvas. Yeah, I really love this reverse monogram, and I'm so happy to add this in my collection. Let's see how it looks on me. You can carry it as a shoulder bag. Here. For reference, I am 5'4.5", almost 5'5". You can carry it as a crossbody bag, which is my favorite way because it's not bulky and it's lays flat over your body. You can also carry it handheld. So excited to use this bag for fall and winter. Thank you so much for watching my video. If you like this video, please give me a big thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe, and I'll see you next time. Bye bye.